episode 502, and today I'm going to be showing you the zombies glitch on Buried, the tree glitch. And you guys enjoy. You need a trampoline for this, and it's a solo glitch too, so enjoy. And hope you enjoyed it, people. And please make sure to comment, subscribe, and slap a like. Thank you. I'm going to show you guys if this actually works. This is after patch 1.13, but it still works. So, there you go. Thank you. Enjoy.